Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go live on YouTube Shorts. Going live on YouTube Shorts lets you engage with your audience in real time. Whether you're answering questions, sharing behind the scenes content, or doing a Q&A, here's how you can start your Shorts live stream. The first step is to check your eligibility. You must have at least 50 subscribers to go live from mobile, and your account shouldn't have no live streaming restrictions. The second thing is to start your live stream, and you can start your live stream by opening the YouTube app. As you can see, I opened the YouTube app and tap the plus button in the bottom middle right here and click on it. Select go live, this one right here. Now to go live, allow access to camera and microphone. After that, choose a title and the description and the category for your live stream, and make sure your camera is vertical to fit the shorts format. The third step is to engage with your audience. Viewers can send messages, reactions and super chats during the stream, so pin important comments and encourage engagement. And the final thing is to end your live stream, and to do that, just tap the end to stop the stream and YouTube will automatically save the live session for replay. Make sure you also use good lighting and stable connection for a smooth stream, and promote your live session in advance to get more viewers and respond to audience questions to keep engagement high. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you go live on YouTube Shorts. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.